making strawberry filling. What's it
Fried
called?
pies.
Fried pies.
And
And we're going to make peach filling fried pies.
okay. There's the filling. You want to describe how that was made, Mama
Yes.
or Ben?
Yes. Mama used strawberries that she used a straw to poke the stems out of them. And she put the strawberries in the what's it called?
Blender, I think.
Blender.
A real fancy smancy one. Hamilton Beach
That's a juicer.
juicer. So what'd you put it in?
The juicer.
The juicer, okay. You know, you need to help.
All
All
right.
right, so go Ben.
Oh, and then she put it in this bowl.
The strawberry.
The strawberry.
She did the peaches the same way?
Yes.
Okay. You used actual peaches and actual strawberries, okay. Did you add anything to those?
Sugar.
Sugar. How much sugar?
2 cups.
2 cups of sugar, so they're very sweet. All right.
Then she put this bread on here. Then she
One
put
biscuit at a
flour.
time.
One
At-
biscuit.
One biscuit at a time. Then she put flour on it.
Just a little bit of flour
A little bit of flour
on the top and the bottom of the biscuit.
at the top and the bottom at the biscuit.
Okay. Are you
On
gonna make one for us? or-
Sure. Okay. Well, how did you do it?
Well,
Well, I mean, like, how did you put the?
okay, so we take a biscuit.
We put it on there.
Okay, so now we get a little flour, sprinkle it out there, and you rub the biscuit in the flour, top and bottom, to make sure it doesn't stick to the roller when you roll it out. All right, now here's your biscuit.
Now let's
Now roll it really thin.
And you use a pineapple as a paperweight to hold the paper down. What kind of paper is that?
What
Parchment
kind?
paper.
Oh, that's some paper.
You might want to
Okay.
hold the bottom bin while you do it.
I can't see.
And how thin? Thin as a dime?
As thin as you can possibly get it.
Okay. While he's doing that, let's come over here and see what's going on. Oh, you're frying them
Yes.
in this new fancy schmancy
Electric skillet.
electric skillet by Presto. Okay. Is that thin enough?
No. Let me roll it up more.
According to his brother, it's not enough.
Yeah. Here we go.
Is that thin enough, Mom?
Yeah, I think it's thin enough.
That's okay.
All right, so now, what are you making, a strawberry or a peach one?
Mama, your choice. Do you want a peach
Either
one?
It doesn't matter.
About a strawberry one?
That's fine. Put a scoop of strawberry in the middle and a little slice of butter.
Okay, how did you do? Okay. A scoop of strawberry. Like this?
Yep.
Slice of butter.
How's that big?
Just a little slice of butter.
Like, put your hand on it. It's sanitary.
It's a pretty big wad there. Okay, that's a perfect.
Is it this size?
Yeah.
Did he wash his hands before?
for the operation.
Yes.
Alex,
Now what you? Let me.
Put it, what are you doing? Put it on there.
Okay. How's it? How, Mama? How did you put it on there?
just put it on there.
There you go. Okay,
What?
now what does he do, Mama?
Then you put the top over the bottom.
A
You
top
Match them up.
match them up.
like this?
Yep, like that, like you're making a taco.
Very good, very good. Okay, this one's ready for the,
Now you
Skillet.
take the fork
oh, okay.
and you
Oh, look at that.
gotta put the edges together
Okay,
like that.
cool.
Do the rest of it.
You might be working in a bakery. If you enjoy this. That looks good, Ben. That's probably enough.
Here we go.
All right.
Now what do we do now, Mama?
All right. So then, with my help, you put a little bit of oil in the electric skillet, just not a whole lot, just a little bit. And then you take your pie and you lay it in the skillet, just like that, until they brown on both sides.
And the
Can you
purpose
try
of
your
the
strawberry?
oil
Can
To fry it.
is to fry it. There it is, cooking. So we come back over here and we have finished products. Ben, which do you like better, the strawberry or the peach?
I never tried the strawberry, but I will try it.
Oh no, well, I don't know. How many have you eaten?
I ate two.
Mama says too many, so you'll have to do a strawberry
No, I
later.
ate two. I ate two peaches.
Okay.
Put flour on both sides.
They look really good.
I fell in
You got any other
That's why-
information, useful information to,
That's why
Give
you put
the
flour
audience?
in.
There, Mama's strawberry pie tastes pretty delicious.
you said you had tasted the strawberry pie.
Yeah,
Well, peach pies.
Okay.